It appeared like Job lost everything, but in actuality, God was doubling his blessings. God's promise of restoration is certified by heaven. God will restore all things in accordance with his will for your life. God shall restore what was lost. God shall restore what was broken. God shall restore it all with increase. Nothing is impossible for God. It would appear like Joseph had lost everything, but all things were working together for good in order for God to place him in the palace. Watch God put you where they never expected you to be.